Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Paycom how to submit punch change request. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To submit a punch change request in Paycom, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Paycom app, and then be sure to be logged in with the credentials as well. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is access time management. To do is simply tap on time management from the main menu, then select web timesheet read only, then choose web timesheet to view your time entries, then look for entries marked with double question mark indicating missing punches. Then simply tap on the double question mark symbol and enter the correct time and reason for the change. Then once done, tap on add request to submit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.